Hello, Foundations of Fitness students. Miss Charlie Boy here. Just wanted to check in with you guys, see how you're doing after your holiday break. I know I had a good, relaxing break, but I did get a cold. Just trying to stay healthy myself, and I hope you guys are all staying healthy too. We're starting week 3. We're going to start again with a high intensity interval training workout. Very similar to what we did last week. Again, high intensity training technique will give you an all out workout. You want to do it 100% with intense bursts of exercise, followed by short, sometimes active recovery periods. This type of training gets and keeps your heart rate up and burns more fat in less time. The high intensity interval training will help increase your metabolism. It is quick and convenient, and no equipment is necessary. When you're doing today's workout, again, we're going to use the exercises included in the Derby library that are shared in the classroom. If you're not sure what the exercise is, you can go to the link, search through the library, there'll be a video. Again, today we're going to perform one exercise for 20 seconds at 100% effort. So go as hard as you can for that 100%. Take a 30-second rest, then move on to the next exercise. After your last exercise, take a 90-second rest and then repeat everything. The goal is to do this for a total of 20 minutes. I know it's going to be a little cold outside, but if you can get outside, that'd be great. If not, I totally understand. These are the exercises. You're going to do your warm-up, the torso twists, high knees, squats, butt kickers, and arm circles. And then you're going to get into climbers. Once you get into climbers and then jumps, hops, sprinter lunges, knee to elbows. Again, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 90-second rest, and then you're going to repeat everything, and you're going to continue to do that. At the end of all of that for 20 minutes, you're going to fill out your reflection questions, and those will be posted on our Google Classroom. So make sure you check it out. Stay healthy, stay active, and please get your workout in. If you have not done it yet, make sure you've done all of our workouts. Every Tuesday and Thursday, we'll be checking in for new workouts. All right, hope everybody's healthy, and we'll see you again on Thursday.